Okay, easy, easy. Woo!
It's rough. But yes, it can be rebuilt. Just don't expect it to be easy.
First step, we take it into the workshop, then we strip it down completely. To beautiful. This is my BMW, reborn. Now, this is how a BMW is supposed to start. Look at them. Nobody would ever guess this car was broken. You did it. Shh.
All right, old girl. Let's see if you still have life in you.
Wait, it's moving. Okay, easy, easy. Woo!
All right, shh, we're out. City, here we come.
Come on, just hold together a little longer. We're gonna fix you. All right, main road now. Don't embarrass me out here.
Much better. Less traffic. Just me and the road. This feels good. Just a quiet road and a second chance. All right, this should be the place. Let's see if they can help. Hello? Anyone home? I could really use some help.
That BMW, oh, it's in bad shape. What happened to it?
I found this BMW in terrible condition. Everyone said it's useless, but I want to rebuild it. Make it feel brand new again.
It's rough. But yes, it can be rebuilt. Just don't expect it to be easy.
First step, we take it into the workshop, then we strip it down completely.
Before anything, disconnect the battery. Safety first, always.
Whoa, okay. This is where the real work begins.
See this? Oil leak, heavy rust, and the suspension is tired. We're rebuilding almost everything.
Huh?
We start simple. Wheels off first, then brakes and suspension. These brakes are done. If you want this BMW to feel new, we upgrade everything here. Shocks are worn, bushings are cracked. If we don't replace them, this car will never drive right.
I didn't realize how much was damaged, but we're doing it.
Now we drain the oil and check the mounts. After this, we prepare to pull the engine out. Label every connector. One mistake here, eck, and you'll regret it later.
Easy, easy, don't let it drop. This is insane.
Good. Engine's out. Now, we find what's really wrong. Leaks everywhere, worn belts, tired seals. We'll need a full rebuild kit for this engine. All right, gaskets, belts, water pump, plugs. I'm ordering everything. No shortcuts. Good, now we can rebuild it the right way.
Clean surfaces perfectly. Blunt. Then install the new gasket. This is what makes it reliable.
Look at that, it's starting to feel like a real rebuild.
New plugs, new filters. Now the engine starts coming back to life.
Wow, this is the first time it actually looks new.
Slow, steady. One wrong move, and we damage everything.
Okay, wires connected, hoses tight. This is coming together.
New radiator. Fresh coolant. Now this engine can breathe and stay cool.
All right, please, start. Just start.
Y-E-S. It's alive. Oh my God, it's actually running.
Sounds good. Now, woof, it's time for a test drive. Up.
All right, wheels on. Let's take her outside.
Sounds good. Now, woof, it's time for a test drive. Up.
Hold it steady. Perfect. This is how we bring the body back. That's crazy. It's like the damage never even happened.
Smooth it perfectly, Hent. Paint will only look good if this surface is perfect.
Chari? Now it's finally starting to look like a real car again.
This is the moment. The car finally gets its new skin.
Oh wow, black suits it perfectly. It looks expensive now. Clear coat seals it. This is what gives it that deep mirror shine. No way, it looks like a brand new BMW. Look at that shine.
Hey, fun. This is it. This is the face of a brand new BMW.
First thing inside, the steering wheel. It has to feel new in my hands. I can't believe how dirty it was, and it's coming back to life. Now it actually smells new and looks new. This is perfect. New mats, small detail, but it changes everything. From broken to beautiful. This is my BMW, reborn. Now, this is how a BMW is supposed to start. Look at them. Nobody would ever guess this car was broken.
You did it. Shh. You brought it back.